Ma'am, ma'am,
Welcome back, children. Please start your videos. On your videos. Unmute your videos. So here, you people have to write the predecessor of it. I guess that you people have written the question, right? Write the predecessor for the following numbers. You all have taken down that. Write the predecessor for the following numbers. Under that, you have to take down these bits. Okay. A bit is 4108. Let us write down the predecessor for it. Before number. Two methods I have told you. First method is simply you can subtract, or otherwise you can write the before number to it by just looking at the ones place. What is the before number to the number 8 which is in the ones place? 7. So you have to write 4107. Next one. 41,098 is there, suppose again. It is a 5-digit number, right? No need of any kind of confusion. Just you have to look over to the ones place digit, which is 8 again. So simply you have to write 41,097. See it. Now it's 41,890. What I said just now, if you find 0 in the ones place or last places, anywhere in the last places, if you find 0, instead of that 0, you have to place 9, and for that before number, 0 before number is what is there here, you can see 9. You have to subtract 1 from it. Instead of 0 you are placing 9, and from this one you are subtracting 1 from it. So instead of 90 you will be getting 89. Otherwise you can directly take the before number to 90 is how much, 80 89. You already know that. You can directly write like 41,889. Next, coming to next number, 25,700. It's 700. See, this is zeros in the ones and tens places. Then you consider this total 700. You already might be knowing the before number to 700 is 699. Otherwise, you can just place 9 instead of 0, and you subtract 1 from 7, you will be getting 6. So the answer is 25,699. $699. Take one more last bit. 36. It's 4,36,000. Then what is the number again? 4,35,999. Wherever you see zeros, there I have placed nines, and for the before number 6, I have subtracted 1 from it. So I got 5. The answer is 4,35,999. Is it clear? Pranav, do you want to talk anything?
Ma'am, you wrote wrong.
Where?
You you should write 436. You wrote 435. You know, ma'am. In 3, you should write 2.
It's correct, Pranav. What I have written is correct. Don't get confused. Why you will be getting 2 in 3 near 3? Why you will get 2 near 3, Pranav? Don't get confused. See, only zeros before numbers should be changed to its before number. Subtract only 1 from that number only, from that digit only. Why 3 becomes 2 again? Now it's cleared. Is it clear now? Is it okay?
Okay.
Don't get confused. Take down these bits. Let us go to building numbers after it. Take down, I'll be giving you 1 more minute time. Now let us go to, this is the explanation part. This is the explanation part. This is the explanation part which I am going to do now. No need of taking down in your notebook. Just listen. It's building numbers. What is it? Building numbers means forming numbers by using some digits. Okay? Building or forming comes under the same meaning here. Forming numbers by using some digits. By using some digits. Let me take some digits here. 2, 9, 3, 4, 7 I have taken. 5 digits I have taken. See, separately I have taken here 5 digits. This is not a number. I have taken 5 digits separately. I have taken digit 2, I have taken digit 9, 3, 4 and 7. By using these 5 digits, now I want to build or form a 5-digit number, but it should be the greatest 5-digit number. You all know that the greatest 5-digit number is what actually? 99,999. But I am not asking about to build a greatest about the greatest 5-digit number. I am saying here by using these digits we have to form a greatest 5-digit number. Greatest, it should be the greatest 5-digit number by using these digits only. Let us form now. Now let me form a greatest 5-digit number by using these 5 digits. Out of these 5 digits, which one is the greatest digit? Out of 2, 9, 3, 4 and 7, we find 9 as the greatest digit. So let us write 9 first. Now no need of any commas, any kind of commas. As we are building a number here, we should not put any kind of commas here. Let us first build the number, 5-digit number. Completed, 9 is finished. Now the remaining numbers are 2, 3, 4 and 7. Out of these 4 digits, 4 digits, which one is the largest one again? 7 it is. 2, 3, out of 2, 3, 4 and 7, 7 is the largest one. Completed. Next remaining numbers are 2, 3 and 4. Out of these 3 again, which one is the largest one? 4. Finish. Coming to 2 and 3, which one is the largest? 3. Finished. What is remained now? 2, which is least among all those 5 digits. So here I have created a greatest 5-digit numbers by using these digits. Now I can put a comma according to the Indian system. While reading or writing this number, we used to separate the thousands period and ones period. So I have kept a comma here, but most of you will do a mistake while creating or while forming a largest or smallest digit numbers. So you will be choosing the greatest number onwards and you will be going on putting commas like this way while forming, building the greatest or smaller digit numbers also. But this is not the proper way. You should not put commas after you build a number. Got it? By using those digits we are building a number, right? So you should, there is no need of putting always commas after every digit. You have to write the number in the Indian system like this way by separating the thousands period and hundreds period. Now let me take these numbers again now. I'm going to take these digits again now, and this became what? Greatest 5-digit number. This is what? By using those digits, I have formed a greatest 5-digit number. Now by using the same digits, I am going to form a smallest 5-digit number now. I'm going to form a smallest 5-digit number. For this sake, for forming a smallest 5-digit number, we have to choose the smallest digit onwards. Which is the smallest digit among all these 5 digits? Which one you can find it as smaller? 2. You have 2 here. Let us take that 2 first. Completed. Next, out of these 4 digits, again, which one you can find it as smaller? 3. This is finished. Next, coming to 9, 4 and 7, which one is a smaller again, smaller number? 4. Next, 7. Next, 9. That means we are going from least to highest, ascending order. If you want to create a smallest 5-digit number or 6 or 7-digit numbers, you should follow the procedure of ascending order. To form a greatest 5-digit number or 6-digit number or whatever it may be, you should follow the descending order. Got it? So here, if you form a smallest 5-digit number, what you got? You got 3, 4. You have arranged in this manner. Now you separate the ones period and thousands period by 1 comma only. So what is the answer you got here? It's 23,479. What does it mean actually? He is asking to create a smallest or greatest digit numbers, no? That means other than this number, you cannot find any other smallest 5-digit number. Got it? By using those digits, only you can form a smallest 5-digit number is what? This one only, 23,479. While coming to greatest 5-digit number, only this greatest number you can form by using only those digits. No other greater number you could find. No other greater number you could find by using these digits to form a greatest 5-digit number. Now let us go to the writing part. Now take down the question.
Teacher ఎందుకు unmute చేసినావు?
Put into mute. I cannot able to put into mute here. I took the substitution, no? Continuous I am getting. Fourth class I am continuing. Yeah. For grade 5, if I enter, no, I'll intimate them. This class teacher already might have intimated. Okay, last for 5 minutes. Okay. They have to imitate like the father. Take a photograph of the father. Okay. Next, now coming period only. Yeah, I'll unmute them. Okay. I'm going to individual person and unmuting for individual persons. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. See, let me create a greatest 6-digit number now. For that sake, what I said, you have to go through the descending order from the greater number to least number. It is very easy to find out the numbers from greater to least number onwards. See here, out of these 6 digits, which one you feel it as greater one? It's 9, right? Next greater number is what? 6. Next greater number is what? 5. Next greater number is what? 3. Next greater number is 1. At last we remained with 0 here. So I have created a greatest 6-digit number by using the given digits. But where I have to put commas, you have to separate the ones period and the thousands period. So how much you got? It's 9,65,310. But remember children, while creating a smallest 6-digit number, while creating smallest 6-digit number, here one thing you have to remember children, as according to the ascending order or descending order, you will be going, see now if you have to create a smallest 6-digit number means you will be following the ascending order, right? Smaller to bigger. If you choose those digits again, you find 0 as the smallest digit. But you should not take that 0 firstly as first digit. You should not take 0 as first digit. Let us see what happens if we take 0 as the first number. Don't take it down. I am explaining now. What happens if you take 0 as the first number? Let us see. I'll show you here in the last corner. See, if I take 0, suppose as the least number. Next least number is what? 1. Next least number is what? 3. Next least number is what? 5. Next least number 6. And then 9. I have gone in the descending order, but a little problem arises here. If you place 0 firstly, then as it doesn't have any value, if you place 0 in the left of a number, then you will be getting only a 5 digits number. But here he asked the smallest 6-digit number, right? For that sake, you should not take 0 in the first. This is the wrong method to take 0 as the starting digit. What you have to do, other than 0, hide that 0, cover that 0 and see which one is the smallest digit among all those. It's 1, right? Other than 0, you find 1 as the smallest number. Now what you have to do? You have to put immediately 0 then. After you place the least number other than 0, you have to place 0 immediately. Got it. Now you have finished 1 and 0. Then what are the numbers remain? What are the digits remain? From those you go according to the ascending order. Small, next least number is 3. Next least number is 5. Next least number is 6. Next least number is 9. So here you got the smallest 6-digit number. It's how much? 1,03,569. Remember this thing, children? Remember this thing? It's 1,03,569. Write down now. For creating greatest numbers, there is nothing problem. There is nothing problem can arise, but while creating smallest number only, if 0 exists in those digits, you have to be very careful. Got it? You have to be very careful and you have to form the digits. Let us discuss some more forming numbers on Monday also. Children, now let us have some intimation. I want to inform you something about tomorrow. Tomorrow is Father's Day, right?
Yes,
Hello, children.
ma'am.
Yeah, Father's Day. So you people
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to do any special
Ma'am, I
thing
prepared
like,
a greeting.
yeah? You people
Ma'am, I
have
prepared
to,
a greeting.
you prepared a greeting also, very good. So like this way you can
Ma'am.
imitate your father, you can act like your father, or you can prepare greetings or something else. Any special thing you have to do for your father, and you have to take a pic along with your father, and you have to tag that pic in your Facebook, okay, in the social media. And also you have to send to our school group. Got it,
Yes,
children?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And advance happy Father's Day to you all.
Thank you.
Now, any more doubts, children?
No, ma'am.
This topic, do you feel any kind of doubt while creating the smallest digit numbers and greatest digit numbers? Yeah, Nana, Vanilla. You have any doubt? You have muted yourself again. Wait, now tell me.
Ma'am, what we should do, ma'am? We have to take pic from our father and what we should do?
Yeah, say clearly. I can't get you. I didn't get you what you said.
Ma'am, we have to take me and father pic, no, ma'am.
Yeah, Nana. Yes, yes.
And next, what we should do, ma'am?
Video, in video also you can take, you can imitate your father, you can dress up like your father, or you can make a greeting card for your father, any special item. If you whatever you feel it as special, you can do like
Ma'am,
that,
shall
and
we
you
get
can put in the tag that pic or video in the Facebook. Yeah, Sritan,
Okay.
tell me, Sritan.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Now, ma'am, before I come, you gave anything writing, ma'am?
Yeah,
Now only I joined, ma'am. Before I joined, you gave anything writing, ma'am?
okay, you did it already. Then along with that greeting card, you take a pic with your father, okay?
Okay,
And
ma'am.
tag it to in your Facebook. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody got cleared?
Yes, ma'am.
And try to prepare for tomorrow's test also. What all the topics we have covered so far?
Ma'am, online test.
From that, you can prepare those bits. Okay?
Ma'am, time.
What all the topics we have covered here? From starting onwards, number names, arranging the numbers into place value chart means place value, finding out the place value and face value, expanded form, standard form of a number, converting expanded form into standard form, short form. Sriram, tell me. Grade 4. Tell me, Sriram. Yeah, Nana. Sriram, tell me. Do you have any doubt? Yes? Yes, Sriram? Do you have anything to say?
Tomorrow there is no classes.
No classes.
Ma'am, online test.
Online test will be
Timing what, ma'am? 7
conducted
to
to you.
1.
Online test will be conducted to you. Any more
7
doubt?
to 1.
Yeah, online test is there tomorrow.
Timings?
All subjects, ma'am.
Timings and all will be provided to you in the evening after the classes. A timings intimation will be sent to you, okay, from the school office.
Ma'am, there are no classes in morning.
No classes tomorrow. As tomorrow is Sunday, we don't have any classes. Okay.
Sunday.
Oh, Viraj, tell me, Nana, what is the smallest 6-digit number?
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
Nothing is there in the screen. I am asking you, what is the smallest 6-digit number? Okay, tell me, what is the smallest 2-digit number?
2-digit number.
I think you were in the mood of playing with your friend. That's why you cannot able to answer.
No, ma'am.
Mind got blocked, right?
10, ma'am. 10.
Yeah, it's good. Correct. Now, Pratik, what is the smallest 3-digit number, Pratik?
1. The smallest
100.
number. 100.
Yeah, Nana, tell me again.
100.
Very good. It's 100. Now, Darwin. Tell me the greatest 4-digit number, Darwin. Greatest 4-digit number. Okay, tell me the greatest 1-digit number. I can't hear you. I cannot hear you, Darwin. Tell me what is the greatest 4-digit number? Do you know what is the greatest 1-digit number? Greatest 1-digit number. I cannot hear you, Nana. Shashank. Yeah, unmute yourself. Unmute once. Where is Shashank?
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me. What is the?
greatest 1-digit number, ma'am.
Yeah.
5, ma'am.
Greatest one digit number, Shashank.
Oh, 9.
Greatest 4-digit number.
4-digit number.
Where is Faizan? Faizan is present now. Faizan is not there. Okay, Kritik Raj. Tell me, Nana, what is the greatest 4-digit number? Yeah, Nana, tell me. Come again.
9,989.
Very good. 9,999. Very good. Who else remain? Samanyu. Tell me, what is the smallest 5-digit number?
10,000.